Good morning, questions. In previous class, we started polynomials. Today, I am going to continue the polynomials chapter. So today, one of the important concepts that is nothing but relation between zeros and coefficients of quadratic polynomial. QP means quadratic polynomial. Generally, ax square plus bx plus c is called a quadratic polynomial in variable x. A comma b comma c are integers, are real numbers. A comma b comma c are real numbers. Next, and the condition should be a not equal 0. So what is the degree of this one? 2. So it has two zeros. Let alpha comma beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Let alpha comma beta are the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Then here relation between zeros and coefficients First relation, sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. What is the formula to find sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Similarly, product of zeros alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. So what is our concept? 10th class polynomials. In these polynomials, today I am going to explain relation between zeros and coefficients. Generally, ax square plus bx plus c is called a quadratic polynomial in variable x. And what is the condition to say quadratic polynomial? A comma b comma c are real numbers and a not equal 0. What is the degree of this one? Degree of this quadratic polynomial is 2. So it has two zeros. I am taking that zeros as alpha comma beta. Then what is the formula? Sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Similarly, product of zeros is alpha beta is equal to c by a. So here derivation of alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a and alpha beta is equal to c by a. Simple. First of all, let ax square plus bx plus c as a quadratic polynomial. What is the roots here? To find the roots of quadratic polynomial, we have a formula minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. What is the formula? X is equal minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So these are the roots to ax square plus bx plus c. Then it means we can write minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Similarly, minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let I am taking one as alpha. Alpha means minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Similarly, beta is equal minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. First, what I need sum of zeros. I need a sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means alpha plus beta is equal. What is the value? Alpha means minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a plus beta means minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Both are the like terms. So I am taking 2a as LCM. So after taking 2a as LCM, what is the remaining? Minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac. Under root of b square minus 4ac, under root of b square minus 4ac, both are cancelled. So what is the remaining? Minus b we can write as minus 2b by 2a. 2 gets cancelled. What is the answer? Minus b by a. So here sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Next I need to find product of zeros. That means alpha plus beta. So we know what is I took alpha as minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a into minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now take numerators and denominators. What are the numerators here? Minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac into minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a into 2a is nothing but 4a square. So clearly observe here, minus b plus root b square minus 4ac, minus b minus root b square minus 4ac. Simple. So this place you may take as x plus this one you take as y. So here x minus y. It is nothing but in the form of x plus y into x minus y. So according to formula what we can write? X square minus y square. Here x square means minus b whole square. Minus y square means under root of b square minus 4ac whole square by 4a square. So what is this here? B square. Square root gets cancelled. So what is the answer? Minus b square plus 4ac by 4a square can write 4a into a. Then b square minus b square both are cancelled. So what is the remaining here? Alpha beta is equal to 4ac by 4 in a into a. A cancel and also c a cancel, 4 cancel. So alpha beta is equal to what is the formula? C by a. Product of zeros alpha beta is equal to C by a. So dear class students, one of the important question. Find the zeros of quadratic polynomial x square minus 4x plus 3 and verify the relation between zeros and coefficients. It's very important question. Solution. First of all, what is the polynomial given polynomial? X square minus 4x plus 3. Just I am comparing with x square plus bx plus c. So by the comparison, what we can write? A is nothing but 1 and b is minus 4, c is equal to 3. Now I am going to do factorization. Let p of x is equal to x square minus 4x plus 3. To find zeros, take p of x is equal to 0. Take p of x is equal to 0. Take p of x is equal to 0. It means x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So by the factorization, 3 means x square minus 3x minus 1x plus 3 is equal to 0. So from this both I am taking x as a common. So what is the remaining? X minus 3. Here I am taking minus 1 as a common. So what is the remaining here? X minus 3 is equal to 0. Here once again x minus 3 I am taking as common. So remaining x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So finally what is the answer? X is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1. So here we have two zeros. So in this problem we have two zeros. X is equal to 3 and also x is equal to 1. Let one is alpha and one is beta. One is alpha and one is beta. So in first, according to question, by the comparison, what is A is equal to 1 and B is equal to minus 4 and C is equal to 3. What is the first relation? Sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So what is the value of alpha? 3 plus what is the value of beta? 1 is equal to minus b means minus of minus 4 by a means 1. 3 plus 1 4 is equal to 4. So first relation is satisfied. What about the second relation? Alpha beta is equal to c by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. What is the value of alpha? 3 and beta means 1. So c is nothing but 3 by 1. 3 ones are 3 is equal to 3. So 10th class students, here another concept, cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. So generally ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is called a cubic polynomial, where a comma b comma c comma d are real numbers. A comma b comma c comma d are real numbers and a naught is equal to 0. What is the degree of this polynomial? 3. So it has 3 zeros. I am taking alpha comma beta comma zeros are given cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. So what is the relation here? Relation between zeros and coefficients. Relation between zeros and coefficient. So first relation, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. What is the first relation? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Second relation, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c by a. Third relation, alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. So what are the formulas? Let alpha gamma beta gamma, all the zeros are given cubic polynomial. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c by a. Alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. So this is the relation between zeros and coefficient of cubic polynomial. In previously we discussed quadratic polynomial. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha beta is equal to c by a. So these are the relations of cubic polynomial. So 10th class students, here is the question. From the cubic polynomial x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 2, find the values of this one. It means alpha comma beta comma all the zeros are given polynomial. In solution, first what is the given polynomial? Cubic polynomial x cube plus 3x square minus x minus 2. Now just I am comparing with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. What is a? A is equal to 1 and nothing but b is 3. C is equal to minus 1, D is equal to minus 2. So first one, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal. What is the formula? Minus b by a. Minus means minus, b means 3 by 1. So second relation, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c by a. So what is the value of c? Minus 1. By a means 1. So what is the c by a is equal to minus 1. Third relation, alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Minus. What is the value of d? Minus 2. So minus of minus 2 by 1 is equal to 2. So 10 questions. Here is the worksheet. Find the zeros of given quadratic polynomial and verify the relation between zeros and the coefficients. Already we discussed it. So here, what is the cubic polynomial? X cube minus 4x square plus 3x plus 2. Then find the value of alpha plus beta plus gamma and alpha beta gamma and also alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma. This also we discussed. So complete the homework.